In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add local captions in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program launches, you can either create a new project or open an existing one, depending on where you are in your editing process. If you're starting fresh, choose a new project. If you already have a video project in progress, simply open it so you can continue working without losing any previous edits. Next, add a video to the timeline. This is important because you'll want the subtitle file to match the video already placed in your project. Once your video is visible in the timeline, head to the top toolbar and click Text. This section contains the tools related to on-screen text, including caption features. After that, look over to the left panel. In this area, you'll find different text and caption options. Click Local Captions. Give it a moment to load since CapCut may need a few seconds to display the full Local Captions panel. Once it appears, take a moment to review the available import options so you understand where your subtitle file will be added from. Now click Import. This will open a file browser on your computer. From there, browse to the folder where your subtitle file is saved. Select a supported subtitle file, then click Open. CapCut will begin importing the captions into your project. Depending on the file size and your system speed, this may take a short moment, so just wait for the import to finish completely. Once the captions have been imported, review them on the timeline. You should be able to see the caption segments aligned with your video. Also check the preview window, since this gives you a clear view of how the captions will actually appear during playback. This is a good time to make sure the text is showing up where you expect it to. Next, play the video to verify the caption timing. Watch carefully to confirm that the subtitles appear at the correct moments and stay on screen long enough to be read comfortably. If anything looks off, edit the captions if necessary. Small adjustments to timing or text can make a big difference in readability and overall polish. Finally, confirm that the local captions have been successfully added. Once everything looks correct in both the timeline and the preview, your subtitles are in place and ready to use. That's how to add local captions in CapCut Desktop.